The moral of the Metamorphosis, written by Kafka, is that doing nothing but working to fulfill an obligation can isolate and dehumanize a person. Grigor is a traveling salesman who works to support his parents and sister, and he himself is aware that he has no real life. He is always traveling for his job, and so he eats unsatisfying food on the road, food from which he reaps no enjoyment. He feels completely exhausted and is frustrated with the fact that he has no time or opportunity to cultivate real intimate relationship. This is evidenced by the fact that the beautiful picture frame on his wall contains a photo of a woman that he clipped from a magazine. He does not actually have a real life person whose picture he can put in the frame. His family, meanwhile, are free to enjoy luxurious meals and the pleasure of each other company. His only purpose comes from working on his family's behalf, and once can no longer do so, he completely loses relevance and importance in his own home. After his transformation, he loses more and more of his humanity as his family treat him less like a relative or even a person. His transformation into a giant insect emphasizes how little he was able to enjoy ordinary human life even when he had a human form, as well as how little thought his family gave him beyond what he was able to provide for them. Where once he placed all his time and energy into fulfilling a perceived obligation to his family, he now became an unwanted burden to them. Rather than bear that burden, however, his parents and sister ultimately leave him behind in pursuit of their own happiness. Hope you like the review. Have a good day.